Hi, in this video we'll be talking about the print function, and to be precise, we'll see how to print strings without the newline character at the end. When we use the print function, a newline is appended to the string. Have a look at this example. Here we have titles, which is a list of strings that we're gonna use in our example, and then we have a for loop in which each title is printed one by one. So, it's a very simple example. We just print the title as is. Now let's run this code. Yeah, and here in the output we have each title, each string on a separate line. So I have Sponge Girl, new line. Headless Tattoos, new line. Bill the Catfish, new line. Bang. Now this is because the print function takes an optional end parameter, which defaults to the newline character. But we can change it to anything else. Well, in this print function, we can't see the end parameter because its default value is used, but we can explicitly type it here like so, end equals new line. Now, it's exactly the same. This is the default value. Let me run the code again to check it out. Yeah. We have the same result. But now we can change this to anything else. So suppose we want to have a white space added at the end instead of the newline character. All we have to do is replace this with a white space. And now let's run this code. And now as you can see, we don't have the newline characters at all. Sponge Girl, white space. Headless Tattoo, white space. Bill the Catfish, white space. Bang, white space. So each string is now ended with a white space. Or, for example, we could use an asterisk here. And now when I run this code, this is what I get. Sponge Girl, asterisk. Headless Tattoos, asterisk. And so on. Or I could add a tab. As we know, we have an escape character like so, \t, which inserts a tab. So let's run this code now. And now we have the tabs. Sponge Girl, tab. Headless Tattoos, tab. And so on. We can also use more than one character. For example, ### \n. So this will insert these three hashes and a new line. Let's run it. Yeah, Sponge Girl, ### new line. Headless Tattoos, ### new line, and so on. Now we can also set this end parameter to an empty string, and then the strings will be not separated at all. Have a look. Sponge Girl, and here we have nothing. Headless Tattoos, nothing. Bill the Catfish, and so on. Well, we can even use a formatted string as the end parameter. Have a look at this. So now each string will be separated by this complex string, which includes the arrow and then the index of the title inside the titles list. So let's run this code. And here we have it. Sponge Girl, arrow, index 0. Headless Tattoos, arrow, index 1, and so on. Well, you can experiment yourself, but usually the end parameter is set to something simple, and we use different ways of formatting text. This was just for you to see what possibilities there are with the end parameter in the print function. Okay, that's it for this video. If you like it, a thumbs up would be great. Also, make sure to subscribe for future videos. If you want to leave a comment or ask a question, you're welcome to do so. Thanks for watching.